children.
Afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Okay then, let's begin today's session. Okay children,
Good afternoon.
okay then, let's begin. I want everyone to mute yourself. Mute it, and I don't want to hear any unnecessary noise. Especially in this class, I do feel that you're making unnecessary noise in the class. So I'm going to mute you all. Okay, let's begin. Okay children, a very good afternoon to all of you. In the last session, we have discussed about the usage of am and is. I hope it's clear, but today we'll be revising it and we'll be learning about more usages of helping verbs. Okay, children? So in the last class, I told you how these words, that is am, is, and are, got its name as helping verbs. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? How it got its name. You are the verb. Okay? For example, I say Rohan is the verb. Who's helping you? Who's helping you? Your mother is helping you. So, who's the helping verb here? Your mother is the helping verb. Similarly, is, am, are helping the verbs to complete the task. That is why am, is, and are called helping verbs. Okay? This I told you in the last class. But in today's class, we have nothing to do with verbs. We are going to learn the usage of am, is, and are with the subject. That is, with the pronouns and with the nouns. Is that clear to everyone? Okay? Today we are not going to learn how it's been used with the verb, but today we are going to learn how it has been used with the subject, that is, with the pronouns and with the nouns. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, in the last class we have discussed about, if you know it, just put a thumbs up. That will do. Okay, so I've told you in the last class that am is used with pronoun. Who can tell me? Shine. Unmute it and give me an answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, am is used with pronoun. We have learnt pronoun in the last class. That is in grade 1. Come on, tell me. All the others, mute yourself. I wanted to see everyone muting yourself. Yes, I don't want any disturbance in the class. Yes, Shine, come on, tell me. Am is used with? Come on, Shine. Otherwise, the question pass on to. Yes, Evelyn? Am. Am is a helping verb. It is used only with which pronoun? I, very good. Am is only used with I. Am has only one friend it has. Its friend is I. Have all of you understood? Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Now the question pass on to, again they started. I don't know why they are making such a lot of noise. Okay, Arjun. Okay. Now your question is helping verb is used with which pronouns? Yes, come on, tell me. Is, we have learnt this in the last class. Is used with, yes. Yes? Arjun? Is used with? Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
Is used with? It is used, is used with. Is, we have discussed this in the last class. Is used with singular pronouns. Which are the singular pronouns? We use is with he, she, it. Didn't we discuss this in the last class, children? Is is used with singular pronouns, that is he, she, it, and also with singular nouns, that refer to one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear? Is used with singular pronouns, that is he, she, it, and also with singular nouns. That is, when we talk about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Is that clear to everyone? So, Evelyn, no, Evelyn has already got a chance. Now, let me ask Agnes. Agnes, come on, tell me, is used with? Is used with? Which pronouns?
Ma'am, I am come late.
What is that?
I am come late.
Okay, okay. I'm asking you the question. Is used with? Come on. Is used with? Agnes. Is used with? Agnes?
Agnes.
Who's that talking, children? Okay, I'll move on to the next person. Sriya, come on, tell me, is used with? Is used with? Which pronouns?
Muted.
Just now I explained to you. Is used with? Okay, Fidda. If you're not giving an answer, I'll move on to the next person. Why are you talking, children? Didn't I ask you to mute yourself? Children, please.
Hello.
Yes, Fidda. Come on, say the answer. Is used with? Which pronouns? Just now I explained to you. Yes. Yes, he, it. Very good. Okay. He, she, it. Children, there is lots of noise disturbance, children. I muted you all, but still I do feel that some of you are disturbing the class. I don't know why. Okay then. So is used with singular pronouns, he, she, it, and also with singular nouns. That is when we refer to one person, one place, one animal or thing. Now we move on to, all of you listen, look at the screen, all of you. Okay. Now we'll move on to the helping verb are, A-R-E, are. Okay, children? Now we move on to the helping verb are. Are is used with plural pronouns. What are plural pronouns? That is you, we, they. Have all of you understood? You, we, they, and also with plural nouns that refer to more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, or more than one thing. Is that clear to everyone? Okay? Yes. Now, I'm going to share the screen for you. By looking at the slide, you will understand what it is. Okay? Now, I don't want anyone to open your workbook or your notebook. Everything, keep it on the table closed. Keep your pencil on the table. Now, I'm going to, when I ask you to open, you can open it. Okay, children? Okay, let's move on. All of you get ready with your workbook, children. I've already sent a message regarding that. Take your pencils. Okay, we'll be doing exercise in page number 14. Not now, after revising it. Now all of you keep everything closed. Fold your hands and sit. Fold your hands, all of you, keep everything closed. When I ask you to open, you can open it. Okay, children? Now all of you look at the screen. We are going to learn the usage of the helping verbs am, is, are. Let us revise on that, then we'll do the exercise here. Okay, children. So all of you look at the screen. So we are in worksheet 5. Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. I told you why it is called as helping verbs. Okay, children, I hope it's clear to you all. Now we are moving on to am is are. Am is are called helping verbs. Okay. Now we are moving on to am. All of you look at the screen. Am. Am is used with the pronoun I. Am has got only one friend. Who's that friend is? I. Have all of you understood? Am has got only one friend. That is I. So am is only used with pronoun I. Is that clear to everyone? All of you look at the screen. Don't write anything. It is like grammar. English grammar is like mathematics. You have to grasp the concept. Okay, only then you'll be able to do it. So all of you learn that am is used only with pronoun I. Is that clear to everyone? Am is used. You say it in your mind. Am is used with pronoun I. Is that clear? Am is used with pronoun I. Okay, now we are moving on to this. Here you can see the picture of I. Okay, I am a boy, I am a girl. Now we'll move on to few examples. Now all of you look at the screen here. All of you look at the screen. Are you all looking at the screen? Are you all looking at the screen? Yes. Now all of you look here. I am a boy. Okay? I am a boy. Here, I am a student. I've already told you am goes only with pronoun I. So I am a student. Look at the examples. I am a scientist. Keep all your book closed, shine. I am Rohan. Is that clear to everyone? Am, the concept is very clear to you. Am is used only with pronoun I. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. We are moving on to is. Okay, all of you learn this. Is a helping verb. Yes, clear. It is used with singular pronouns. That is she, he, it. Clear? Is used with singular pronouns she, he, it. You can see the picture here. She, he, it. It refers to animals and also non-living things. Now let's move on to a few examples. All of you look at the screen. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Now the next one. He is a driver. Okay. It is a dog. Now all of you look at this. This is very, very important. This is very important. I told you that is a helping verb which is used with singular pronouns he, she, it, and also with singular nouns that refer to one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Clear? All of you? Okay, now here are a few examples for you. Look at the screen, all of you. One person I told you. Here, Jimmy is a one person. Jimmy is one person is used with the helping verb is, since Jimmy is one person. Have all of you understood? So, Jimmy is a brilliant student. Okay. Now we'll move on to Delhi. We are referring Delhi to one single place. So, we use is. Delhi is the capital of India. Lion. Here lion refers to one animal. Have you all of you understood? Singular means one. Singular animal. You can see here what I've written it here. Singular animal. So lion is the king of the jungle. Is that clear? Yes. Now we'll move on to the last one. That is, my water bottle here refers to one thing. Okay, singular. So it is used with is, black in color. You can see the picture also here. Is that clear to everyone? So is very clear to everyone. Is used with singular pronouns and also with singular nouns. Singular nouns means they refer to one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. So that is okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. So all of you look at it. Fold your hands, all of you. So in today's class, we have is and am has already been discussed in the last class. Today, we are going to learn only about are. Are is a helping verb that is used with plural pronouns. Which are the plural pronouns? Here it is. You, we, they. All of you fold your hands and listen. I'm going to share the screen and see whether you are sitting properly. All of you fold your hands and sit. Children, can you understand? Is that clear? Am and is very clear to everyone. Is it clear to everyone? Am is used. Am has only one friend. Who's that friend is? I. And is used with pronouns he, she, it. And also with singular nouns. Okay, now we are going to learn about are. All of you look at the screen. Are is used with plural pronouns, that is you, we, they. Okay, all of you learn it. Say along with me. Are is used with plural pronouns you, we, they. You can see the picture here. You know what is you is? You are a student. Have you understood? You are a student. Here we means we all. We are friends. Here they refers to, can be a person, it can be animals, and also non-living things. That it can be books. Have all of you understood? Okay, so here are is used with you, we, they, that is plural pronouns, and also with plural nouns that refer to more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, and more than one, okay, more than one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Okay, more than, that is, we refer to plural. All of you look at it. Yes, Rohan, what's your problem? Can you hear me? Is it audible to everyone? Okay then, now carry on with the class. You are happy. You are happy. You are my best friend. We use are with you. Not only with you, but also with we. We are friends. We are friends. And also we use are with they. We use are with they. We use are with they. They are cats. Children, can you hear me? Put a thumbs up if you could hear me. All of you can hear me. Can you see me? No? Okay. Now, is that clear to everyone? And I've already told you, are is used with plural pronouns, that is you, we, they, and also with plural nouns. See here, you can see the board, plural nouns. Cats are plural animals. So with plural, we use are. Cats are very fluffy. Okay, cats are very fluffy. Now, I've also told you, bikes are, it is used with plural things. You can see the picture here. There are two bikes or a two scooter, whatever it is we call it. Bikes are best mode of transport. Okay, children? So I hope so it is clear to everyone. Now, before we move on to this, let me ask you something. Am is always used with what? Can anybody tell me? Yes. Ayush, can you tell me? Ayush, where is Ayush? 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 Ayush, are you there? Okay, Devatmak, come on, tell me. Anyhow, you have raised your hands. Devatmak, unmute it. Unmute it, Devatmak. And am is used with? I, very good. Before we move on to this exercise, first let us do this. And is used with? Is used with? Charles.
Singular pronoun.
Yes, singular pronoun. What are they? What are they?
He,
He,
it.
and it. Very good. And also with singular nouns. Okay, Charles. Come on. Others, please don't answer when I'm asking Charles. Not only Charles, the names will be called. Only that person will have to answer it. Okay, children. Where is Charles? Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Are is used with nicer. I'll come to Charles later. Nicer, unmute it and come on, tell me. Nicer, whom you're calling? Are is used with. Which are the pronouns? Come on, tell me. Are is used with. Are is used with. Are is used with. Okay. Are is used with. Come on, children. Are is used with. Wait, I'll take the exercise for you. Are is used with. Yes. Are is used with. Which pronouns? Are is used with. Yes. Are is used with. Which are the pronouns? You will see it on the screen. Wait 1 minute, okay? Okay. We use are. Let it be. Okay, children, all of you look at the screen. So we were discussing about this. Are is used with plural pronouns. I told you that plural pronouns are you, we, they, and also with plural nouns that refer to more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, or more than one thing. Okay, now we'll move on to this exercise. All of you open your workbook. Take page number 14. Okay, exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. Okay, now I'll start with Ivan. Okay, Ivan, read the first question for me, Ivan.
I dash 6 years old.
Okay, so what I have to write there?
Am.
Yeah, I'm very good. I am 6 years old. Okay, I'll move on to Abba. Abba, fast, quickly. Unmute yourself and read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the next one. Yes, read it. In your book, it is in page number 14B. Okay. Yes, read to.
Dash playing basketball.
Okay, so what we have to write there, read to is how many person is there?
One person.
One. So what we have to use? If it is one person,
Is
very good. Is. Okay, very good. Abba. Now I'll move on to Amazia. Amazia, read the next question. Amazia, unmute yourself. Unmute it.
there.
Are you able to? Yes, read it. There.
There dash.
Mm,
There dash.
mm. They dash. Yes, continue.
12 months.
12 months. 12 months in a
Year.
year. Very good. So what I have to use here? What I have to use? Very good. Why means we are talking about 12 months. We are talking about plural. Something we are talking about plural. So we have to use helping verb are. Okay. Still I can find you talking. Who is talking here? Why everybody are giving an answer? Okay. Now we'll move on to the next person. Where is Arjun? Arjun, read the next question for me. Arjun, read the next question. Arjun, read the next question. Are you able to unmute it? Do it fast. Yes, I'm not able to do it. Otherwise, the question pass on to Fida. Yes, Fida. Unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read fast.
Those flowers are pretty.
Very good, Fida. Those flowers are pretty. We are talking about plural. So we have to use are. Is that clear to everyone? So, has this been done here, children? You can do it in your workbook also. Okay? Now I'll move on to the next person. Arjun, I'll come to you later. Are you not able to unmute it, Arjun? Okay, Devatmak, read the next question for me.
Ma'am, I can say.
Who? I means who?
Ma'am.
Devatmak, read the next question if you're able to unmute it. Yes, Devatmak. Are you able to? Devatmak, where are you now? Yes, Renfred, wait. Yes, who can? Shravan. Okay, Shravan, do it. Renfred, wait. I'll be giving a chance to everyone.
A
Yes.
lily
Ah,
is a beautiful flower.
yes. Lily dash a beautiful flower. We are talking about a lily. So what we have to use here, Shravan, once more. Let everybody hear you.
A lily dash a beautiful flower.
So what is the answer there?
Is
Very good. Okay, is. Okay, now I'll move on to Renfred. Then I'll come to Saharish. Okay, children? Renfred, come on. Saharish, get ready, okay, for the next one. Is the board clear to you, Renfred? Yes, read the question. It is there in your workbook, but I think so the alphabets are given there in your book. So the question in your book is F. Read that question. We
first and second and third and fourth and sixth one.
Are you able to unmute it? Yes, I'll do it for you. Yes. I think so now you'll be. Yes, read it.
We dash Indians.
Yes. So, we
Are Indians.
are Indians. Great. Very good. Okay, Sarich. Come on, Sarich. Unmute it. Are you able to do it? Yes. Now you read the question.
Okay.
A kitten dash a baby of a cat.
Yes. So what I have to write there? Is very good. Okay, is. Now, let me see who didn't get a chance. Aiden, come on. Aiden Ajay. Unmuted Aiden. Yes, Aiden.
Yes.
Yes, read the question. Eighth question. Yes, H. Louder, please. Ah, ducklings.
Dash.
Babies.
Or ducks.
Ducks. Very good. So what we have to write there? R. Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we'll move on to. Yes, Giselle. Read the next question for me, Giselle. Yes. Read the next question. Others, please mute it. I don't want anyone else to open your mouth. Yes. Giselle, read it. Yes, we dash.
Going to
Visit.
our uncle.
Yes, our uncle. So what we have to write here, it is we here. So what we have to use there?
R.
R. Very good, Giselle. Very good. R. Now we are moving on to the last one. So I'm moving on to Anna Maria. Anna Maria, read the question. Yes.
My mother dash my best friend.
Okay, so what we have to use there? Anna. Yes, what we have to use, Anna? Is. Very good, Anna. Yes, is. So I hope, let me, yes. Children, have you all understood the usage of am, is, are? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Let me ask you once more. Am is used with, wait. Am is used with Andrea. Am is used with? Andrea. Am is used with? Come on, Andrea. Are you able to? Children, please don't make noise. Yes, Andrea, come on, tell me. Unmute it. Am is used with, just have a revise the chapter. Yes, am is used with Andrea. Am is used with? I, very good. And yes, am is used with I. Adrinath, can I ask, Adrinath, unmute it. Yes, and is used with? Adrinath, is used with? Singular pronouns. What are the singular pronouns is used with? He, she, it. Very good. Okay. Pavan, now tell me, are is used with plural pronouns. What are they?
Ma'am, can you say?
Plural pronouns. Are is used with plural pronouns. What are they? Pavan? Pavan, you can't hear me, children? Pavan, could you hear me, Pavan? Come on, tell me. Yes. Are is used with? Yes. You, we, they. Very good. You, we, they. Now, I hope so. The session is very clear to you. Am is used with I. Let's have a recap on what we have learned. Is used with singular pronouns and also with singular nouns. Please be quiet. And are is used with plural pronouns and plural nouns. I hope the session is very clear to you. Notes will be sent to you in the WhatsApp. And those who are not able to do page 14, exercise 1 will be sent to the WhatsApp for you. You have to do it. Okay, children? The same, no, same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, children, bye. That's all for today's session.
Bye,
We have come to the end of today's session.
Bye.
Okay, children, go and have your lunch. Okay, children? Okay.